let's dive straight into the fun stuff. Most of the time, when the word advocate, lawyer, and yes, there's a difference, but we'll come to that much later, or simply wakili in Kiswahili comes up, most people think of the high life, good money, glamour, prestige. People also think of nice expensive suits that fit vizuri so that lawyers look sharp, smart, and dapper all the time. People also think of drama, adrenaline, great arguments in and out of court that close in on $1 million or $1 billion deals. Well, all that is true, perhaps for the 1%, or for the legal team on Suits, How to Get Away with Murder, Boston Legal, and various other legal dramas that air on our screens. My friend, you'd be surprised at the number of people who actually took up the law, pretty convinced by these shows that that was the life they were getting themselves into. I'm not going to name names, but hi, Ida. You see, there's so much mystery, according to the Kenyan Raya, from my years of sitting down with our people, research, listening to them, and talking to them. The mystery surrounding what it's like to be a lawyer is absolutely nothing compared to the mystery surrounding what the law says and what the rights of a Kenyan citizen are. Majority of the Kenyan Raya do not know what their rights are or do not even know what the law says. A classic example, you're driving with your friend or you're in your car, you're stopped by a police officer and they ask for your driver's license. Uyo hapo, wewe na rafiki yako, ushaanza kutense. You're sweating, ushajaza shati sweat bure. You start using big words in an effort to at least, kujitetea. You get away scot-free. Ushaanza kuita polisi mkubwa, boss, afande. Aki hata hii ni mara yangu ya kwanza. Mi huwa sitembei bila driver's license yangu. Unfortunately, without your knowledge, your kid alichukua driver's license yako na akaamua kuichezea kaa kitabu on that day. And you in a hurry, you left, leaving it behind. Unfortunately, my friend, there's something called ignorance of the law is not a defense, meaning there's something said rather. Kutojua will not get you out of trouble, ulifaa kujua. So there you are, unaingia kwa phone book yako, looking for a rafiki, sababu unajua you have to pay a fine, Looking for a rafiki, only to find the only rafiki ni ule monkey character wa Lion King, because there's really nobody who is willing to bail you out or nobody is in a position to bail you out. Another example, you hear about a parcel of land, hizi zenye hukua advertised on TV or on radio stations. Unaambiwa ni purchases za mbio, deposit ama sijui hata unaweza lipa within a given certain amount of time. Wamekupatia a package that sounds too good to be true. Wewe uyo na savings zako zile umekuwa ukifanya kazi for the longest time to buy a parcel of land, withdraw pesa, umekimbia hadi tuseme na Manga or wherever it is that you've had the parcel of land is. You get there, unaonyeshwa boundaries zako ziko wapi, everything is set. Until the day you pay for the parcel of land. Hapo ndio utajua haujui. Hapo ndio utajua the parcel of land you bought iko majuu. Yani, it exists only in the air. Another example, again, kwa sababu how the Kenyan economy is set up, everybody is trying to save the next coin, So you're told about a car deal, a hot one, a friend of a friend who's a cousin to your grandmother's neighbor, unajua hizo very long relations, is relocating to Atlanta. Lakini as we all know, ako Nyeri. So there you are, unakimbia, again you withdraw money, you chase that deal, only to find after ushapelekwa test drives, ushapatiwa a chance to interact with the vehicle, wewe pale ushachukua selfie, you've posted it on Facebook, wachawi wa kwenu washakasirika wanakuroga bure, you find that the car you bought hata si toeka, si mkokoteni, it's non-existent, So the next time your kid asks you mcheze na toeka zake, wewe pale umekasirikia kila mtu kwa nyumba bure, mtoto ajui shida iko wapi. We end up finding ourselves in various problems and in very difficult situations only because we lacked full information to make a better or an informed decision. So if you're tired of being on the wrong side of the law, you're tired of not knowing what your rights are or what the law says, kindly consider subscribing to Law, Order and Rights on YouTube, and let's learn law. Also, follow us on various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you.